So this video I'm going to share with you guys is really special to me. I've been doing this for about 7 years, and over those 7 years I've had an insane amount of crazy experiences, funny moments, all that kind of stuff. So I'll put together a little compilation from the beginning to current day, and yeah, it's going to be kind of random, and it's going to be kind of cringy and awkward, especially the beginning moments. You guys know, filming stuff at the beginning, you kind of learn, you work the kinks out. But anyway, I think you'll enjoy it, and so yeah, let's roll it. Thanks, guys.
Right there!
Did he seriously?
He just took a leak on yours.
Why you gotta take a look at this?
So we're about 2 miles into the trail now, and Kona is officially sick. He literally almost, so he barfed in the back, completely barfed, all in the back, and he was like getting into position to take a dump. And so I picked him up and like sort of launched him outside, and he just crapped water. It was the worst thing ever. Oh, he's got Jack getting every bug possible in this thing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh look, yeah. Oh, freaking sweet. There's spiders.
And to be honest, it was kind of sketchy sliding down that mountain with no traction at all. And then from there, I just slid on down the hill. Eating it up.
What I do for YouTube.
Just fell into this ditch.
Territory right there.
Oh yeah. That's something you don't see every day right there. I got it!
That is awesome. Oh my god.
Oh no.
First time I've ever broke on the trail, ever. We're not even on.
You mean at camp? Yeah, something not good in there. I don't want that to.
Alright.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah. Alright, about to do this in the rain and the hail. I almost died.
How is it?
Of the rain.
Keep going.
Colorado wheeling. You're good, you're about to drop. Big, baby. You did good.
Oh shit. Bring the wheel up just a little. Okay, you're gonna start coming up. What is that squeak? Oh my gosh. That was the Jerry's and the tire.
What a wheel lift. We're definitely in a situation here. Oh no. Oh no, my Jerry's. Thomas, why? That was so insane.
I saw like Thomas's truck flying through the air.
That's broke. You snapped the freaking hell out of that. How do you feel right now? Better? Wow.
Second step, you may have to move your rig forward.
10-4, I'll move her. Ooh, we got a diff smacker. We're on Engineer Pass, and literally the first one's on it. It legit just opened. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking awesome. Looks like a movie. Look how big these snow drifts are getting. That was seriously one of the most fun things. It just felt like I was in a different planet in one day. You like our bonfire? It's freaking massive. Stupid views. Incredible, incredible views. By the way, I ripped a freaking massive hole in my pants. So if you see up my butt a little bit, sorry. Drew is setting up the camera for some crispy bangers.
Passenger, 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 passenger.
We're in the storm. This crazy hailstorm. I mean, look.
I cannot see shit.
Yeah. This is unreal.
Can you give it a shot?
Unreal.
There's
I'm just following headlights. I don't even see the road.
yeah, I can't see anything.
Here I come.
That was full Rubbosaurus there.
Yeah, buddy. Woo. I don't know if you guys have seen the Mini. Mega flex.
Coming down.
Zach just showed up in his new daily.
Oh, dude.
What?
I just folded the fender.
On what? What we got?
Modified the fender back there on the shoulder with that giant rock.
You did give it a little more outside ground clearance. A little bit forward. Holy smokes. Holy smokes.
Yep. We got a little morning pit crew maintenance. things like this happen, it's just that much more adventure. The 80 series down here just ran out of gas. Happy birthday to you. He's way in this. Love this place. So awesome. Check out this diary, 1940. Look how cool this is, guys. Like, seriously. Look at these trees, look at the fog, the rain, the colors.
Put it on a plate and people are gonna pass it around. So I'm gonna do lots of different kinds of varieties. Go ahead, help yourself, make a plate of charcuterie. We do have some bamboo plates if you don't have your own plates, but I think everyone's close enough that hopefully most people have.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wait. Whoa. Okay. Do not go forward anymore. Those course, there we go. Victory. Those Coors Light reservoirs didn't do their job. That's all I know. I've never seen this rig is dialed, that sticker down there.
My sticker.
ArcOffroad.com, you heard it here first. There we go. Whoa. Easy.
Now Grand is going down this as well. I just want to remind everyone that this is also a company vehicle that Grand is in. Look, hey, can you pay attention to where you're going, dude? Mo can't afford to have you break this thing. Wow, this guy's just eyeballing me up as he goes down this steep ledge. Also, if you see that arm over the driver's side door, that's called the Arkansas lean.
Welcome to Daytona. Don't put that in.
Welcome to Daytona, brothers. Let's get rowdy. I don't know if I can stress that enough, but we're overlanding with a NASCAR driver in the back.
We are about to try these trucks.
Go. Beep beep. Can you say beep beep? Beep beep. Really? Oh. So here's our little campsite.
Hold right there and give her the beats.
I got Maxie's too. You need to get your drink open.
What do you got?
Just an alternator.
Dude.
That's gnarly.
Whoa!
Way over top. We're getting some like warning lights on the dash.
I think we're gonna have to tow.
Tow? It's a pretty wild angle. Oh, it's macaroni and cheese. What are you doing over here with the freaking March Madness?
How'd that happen? What are you doing?
How'd that even happen? That's convenient.
It is convenient.
Wow. Sure, we'll watch that, I guess.
Like, you got your full bar right here. Literally, look at all this stuff.
She's a wee bit dusty, boys. That was ridiculous.
It is 10:04.